Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a bottle of Yakult. So let's get started. To draw this yummy drink, let's first start by drawing the top. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a straight line down. And then I'm going to go around, just curve it, round off the corner right here, and then just go across. Oops. So I'm going to go across, and then about right here, I'll round it off again and come straight down, just like the other side. And then, now that my 2 points are pretty level, I'm going to go ahead and just very slight curve to connect it. Or you can just draw a straight line if you're not comfortable with the curve. Then from there, I'm going to go down with 2 angles. So same thing on both sides. So just take a look back and forth and bring it down a little bit more. About right there. And about right here. So we want it once again to be about the same level. And then right here, we're just going to round it off and then bring it straight down. So same thing here, just round it off and bring it straight down. And once again, we need to be about the same level. And then, now that we hit over there, let's round this off a little bit again, and then we're gonna curve. And as we curve this panel right here, this section is going to be a little bit thicker, so let's curve it down. And then we're gonna bring it right back to about right here. So just give yourself a point. So you just wanna make sure that the bottle is still going at the same straight line. So same thing here, you're gonna curve. And we want to make sure we're about the same, coming this way. So about right here. And connect to your point. Then we're going to go once again, come straight down. And this section is going to be the tallest. So let's keep bringing it down. Try to go as straight as possible. Take a look at my camera. Okay, about right there, I'm going to go ahead and round this off. And round it off and then connect at the bottom with a very soft curve. And connect. There. So we basically drew the outside of our bottle. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to, oh my goodness, I just realized I forgot. So I'm so sorry. For the cap right here, there's actually a little tab if you want. You could go like this if you want, but I'm going to add a little tab right here. Just make it cuter. And add a little tab that comes across. So I should have just gone this way and across. And so I need to come in here with my whiteout pen and just white this part out. My whiteout pen that doesn't work. Give me a second. Okay, sorry, I'm back with a juicy one. This is the big whiteout. You have to shake a little bit. There. Okay, so now that we have that whited out, I'm going to come back and we're going to start to break up the sections. So now that we have this and this, we're going to connect it basically. So we're going to come right across from here and just a very, very light and slight curve all the way across. And same thing here. So notice I'm going as light as possible. And then one more curve right here. There, to break it up. So now we have, just round these sections off a little bit. Okay, so we basically have our bottle of Yakult now, and then we, let's see here, let's bring it to life. So let's come to this section right here. I'm going to put in some eyes. So just draw a circle right here. And come right across about right here. And since these eyes are not very big, I'm just going to make them regular eyes and not draw so cute eyes. So I'm just going to go right here with a circle for highlight and then shade it all in. And same thing here. And let's put a little curve above each eye. And then a sweet big smile right in the center. And cap it off. There. Okay, and then let's see here. I thought it'd be really cute if we gave this bottle of Yakult some hands. So let's come right here and just gonna draw a curve. Come right across. The other hand's gonna be about right here. And I'm gonna bring this across to about right here. And in this area, I'm just gonna draw those heart hands. So it's kind of like this, almost like a heart shape, but not really. And another one going the other way. And connect whatever space you have left. There. And so in this section is where the logo is. And since the logo is just red, I didn't want to use the black Sharpie. So I'm going to come in here with my red Sharpie and draw the logo. So we're going to start off with basically like a big oval in this section. So let's come about right here. And I'll try my best to draw the Yakult logo here. And like drawing this big oval. And connect. And then right in the center, just find your center. So say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point right here. Come straight down here. And I'm going to thicken this up. To that point. And then same thing here. Technically the logo, those 2 points don't really connect like that. There's actually 2 of these pieces, but I think it's just a little bit easier to draw this way, just to create the whole outside shape first. Make this a little bit rounder. Okay, something like that. Let's bring this out. So I'm going to shade this all in. And then we're going to write the word Yakult in here. So let's just start by right here. Y and then A. And then K. Just want to make sure we're going straight. And then ULT. So just if you run out of space, just get thinner with your letters. If you have too much space, just get wider. So about right here, U, T, and then T. Yay, we made it. Okay, so then we're just going to come in here and thicken this up. There, so hopefully I didn't mess it up too much. It does look like the Yakult logo, hopefully. Make that Y a little bit taller. And then last but not least, I'm going to add a little heart right here, just a tiny little one. In this area right here to make it my cute bottle of Yakult. really hope I helped you draw this bottle of Yakult fun and easy today, and I've inspired you. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.